how much your settlement check is going to be in your Maryland medical malpractice or your personal injury case? Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to quickly talk with you today about some issues surrounding your settlement check in a personal injury or a medical malpractice case. Now, let me go ahead and give you some quick backup or a quick foundation about this issue. During this process, you're more than likely going to be getting notifications from your health insurance provider, which is outlining to you bills and what has been paid on your behalf or what have you paid and things of that nature. You need to make sure that you're helping your attorney out during this process. When you get this information, make sure that you forward it over to your attorney so everybody can be on the same page as to the end of the case. In other words, everybody is on the same page as to what is owed and what's outstanding and what has been paid and things like that. So that's some of the background information I want to make sure that you understand. Make sure that you help your attorney out during this process. Even though your attorney is going to be getting these records on their end, also, you just want to make sure that, like I said, everything adds up at the end. All right, let's get into that question of, will you know what your check or the amount of the case is going to be? The short answer is yes, you should know what the final number of the case is going to be. And the reason why you should know this is because you should have went to what we call in here a settlement conference where you and your attorney will sit down and talk about what is outstanding or the settlement process of the case. And in this settlement conference, you will be able to see what are the medical bills, for example, what has been paid, what will the attorney's fees be, are there any costs that are outstanding on the attorney's part. All of these things will be going over in your settlement conference. And from there, you should have a good idea as to if you settle the case on, let's say today, if you settle the case today, what will the check be if you go ahead and you say, you know what, yes, I want to accept the settlement. So that is the purpose of today's video, which is to help you get a better insight into this process. More than likely, if you're watching this video right now, you may be wondering, should I file a medical malpractice case in Maryland? Or if I do, what is this process going to be like? See, that's why I'm shooting this video and helping you get a better understanding of this process. If you have more questions about your situation, this is what I invite you to do. And remember, it costs you absolutely nothing to take this next action. And what is that, Marcus? It is to go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you could send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland medical malpractice and personal injury questions, childbirth injury questions, just like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to take some time and listen to your story. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorneys here at Boston Law Group LLC, and we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.